Hello students, today we are going to discuss anomalous secondary growth in STEM. It is study material for class 4th semester. In previous lecture we have studied about the secondary growth. In secondary growth, the cells of vascular cambium divide and form secondary xylem to the inside and secondary phloem to the outside. This is the normal behavior of the vascular cambium. When this behavior is changed, the deviating method of secondary growth thickening are called abnormal or anomalous growth. It is maybe due to the anomalous position of a cambium or abnormal behavior of normal cambium. Maybe position may be changed, or maybe there may be abnormal behavior of normal cambium. So we can understand these things by certain examples. Some examples. First we will discuss about the example of Bignonia plant, which is of Bignoniaceae family. We can understand this with diagram that in case of Bignonia, we can see here that this is a cambium ring, and after that there is a formation of phloem wedges. There is a phloem wedges are there. These are called phloem wedges, and after then the xylem strands become first by dilation and cell division in the woody parenchyma of the pith. Due to it, there is a formation of phloem wedges. We can see in this diagram that the phloem wedges are here, and there is a formation of primary phloem, cambium, bast fibers, secondary xylem and primary xylem. So we can identify this stem due to this phloem wedges in the diagram. This is the abnormal behavior of normal cambium. Due to the cutting of tissues, secondary tissues, it becomes like this. In case of another example, we can study, that is the Amaranthus plant. In Amaranthus plant, there is a formation of, due to the activity of abnormal cambium, there is a formation of conjunctive tissue, and the secondary phloem is embedded in them, and there is a formation of medullary bundles, ring of medullary bundles in large portion. We can understand this in diagram that there is a cortex, there is a star sheet, there is a secondary phloem which is embedded in the conjunctive tissue. We can see here this is a secondary xylem, and there is a primary medullary bundle which is composed of phloem, cambium, xylem. There are lots of primary bundles and they are arranged in rings. So we can identify this stem by the presence of medullary bundles which are in ring and presence of conjunctive tissue in which secondary phloems are embedded. So these features are also due to abnormal cambium behavior and its position. Next example we can understand with the help of this diagram. It is a diagram of Nyctanthus plant, which is a quadrangular stem. Here is the presence of inversely oriented cortical vascular bundle. In cortical portion, this is a portion of cortex. In this cortex portion, there are inversely oriented cortical vascular bundles are there. Normal vascular bundles we can see here in a large diagram. In normal vascular bundles, there is a sequence that there is a phloem, then cambium, and then xylem. Here it is reverse orientation. It is in reverse orientation. Outside is the xylem, then cambium, and then phloem. It is called inverse. That's why it is called inversely oriented cortical vascular bundle. Cortical vascular bundle because it is present in the portion of cortex. Here are also present primary xylem, secondary phloem, primary phloem, but these are the normal behavior, and due to the abnormal position of the cambium and abnormal position of the cambium, abnormal behavior, abnormal position, there is a formation of another type of vascular bundle that is called cortical vascular bundle, which is only inversely oriented. That's why it is called inversely oriented vascular bundles. So we have discussed here about the anomalous secondary growth in by taking some example. Sometimes some examples are also coded in monocots. These are all examples of dicot plant, and sometimes monocot plants are also show exceptionally secondary growth, like stem of Dracaena shows secondary growth in which there is a amphivessel vascular presence of amphivessel vascular bundles. So this is all about the anomalous behavior of cambium, which was anomalous in position, or it show anomalous abnormal behavior due to which these abnormal structures are developed in the stems. Thank you.